Sat Sahib. Today we are going to talk something about female Naga Saints. From these three types of Naga Saints, Vaishnav, Shaiv and Udasin, there are female saints also who have to undergo different austerities to pass the examination for getting initiation in this religion or this kind of way of living, just like a saint. They have to do a strong Shiv sadhana for a long time, and they also do yagna or havan, and after some time then mundan or shaving is done. Their hair are cut or shaved totally. After that, and better say during this period, they have to leave their family also. They have to stop being attached to the familiar relations. And there is one more strange thing they have to do. They have to perform their pinddan and tarpan also, even if they are still alive. Normally, these things are performed after the death, but these female saints get this done even if they are still alive. After about 10 years long austerity, then they are found to be able to get initiation from the mahant of that akhada of Naga sadhus. And it is definitely much harder. This kind of diksha or initiation is found after a long trial, a hard work which those female saints have to undergo. And they are not allowed to stay nude or naked just like male saints, but they are allowed to wear an unsewn yellow cloth, so they cannot stay naked like that. Normally the Naga saints are naked, but females are not allowed. They have to wear yellow cloth, and that should be unsewn. Well, after all it, we come to a different point also. In India, we find different kinds of saints or different kinds of procedures, manners or styles which are very prevalent or common in India and abroad also for living any particular cult as for religion. But how so many those are does not make much difference. The thing is that which one really takes us to the final destination, which is for the ultimacy or paramgati, which can lead us to Satloka. This is the main thing. And if we are pursuing such a lifestyle which is not really leading us to that final attainment, then definitely it is not good. However beautiful or nice it looks, yet it is not that much good. Better say it is just useless and just wasting the time of our lifespan. So be very intelligent and prudent enough to select any cult which can really lead us to the final destination, Satlok Dham. Sat Sahib.